Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Guess what? Well, today I've come up with a very powerful technique which I'm going to tell you, which is definitely going to help you to speak fluent English. It is that powerful, it is that great. You will not need anything else. You don't have to do anything else. You just have to practice this technique every single day, every single time when you want to practice English speaking. And this is a foolproof. In all of my sessions, I do come up with this activity. I do give this activity to everyone and it helps. And I have got the feedback also that this technique has helped them to speak English fluently and confidently. So today I'm going to disclose this to you. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. If you want to follow my videos, quickly give me a thumbs up right now. Well guys, coming back to the topic, today I'm going to give you a very simple yet very powerful technique which is really going to help you in your English fluency. Yeah, so this activity is called pick and tell. I have named it, by the way. So this is my technique which I have come up with, and I have tons of techniques which I give every single day in my sessions, which I'm going to disclose one by one. So you have to stay connected. You have to watch my videos to know more. So this technique is called pick and tell. And trust me on this, I have seen in schools also this has been practiced. Whether it is a nursery or senior KG, junior KG, or in other classes also, this technique is followed. That one is little different, but it is related to this. But this technique is very simple. So pick and tell. What does it mean? Pick and tell means you have to pick something and you have to tell about it. This is what it means in a layman's language or simplified way. Pick, you have to pick something and you have to tell about it. That's it. Now, what you can pick and how you can tell about it. You can pick up anything you like, right? If you want to pick up any photograph of yours, you want to pick up any gift, any cloth, any food which you like, any perfume which you like, any toy, book, etc., etc. We have a lot of things at our home, right? In our room, a lot of things are present. I like this couch. I sit every day on this couch and I love watching TV sitting on this couch. You can pick up the couch and you can talk about it. So this is what is called pick and tell. You can pick up any object, anything. It need not to be an object also. You can pick up your favorite food, your favorite drink, your favorite snack, your favorite probably dessert, anything, your favorite cosmetic, your favorite cream, your favorite specs, your favorite hair accessories, cap, hat, whatever you have at your home or whatever you like or whatever you want to talk about. There are n number of things present in our house and in our rooms. Every single day we can get up and find one and we can speak the entire day about it. Right? Isn't it simple, guys? You don't have to think about a topic. You don't have to gain knowledge about it. You don't have to think much about it. You know everything. It's just that you have to speak about it in sentences and correct sentences. Okay. So how will you speak correctly? Try and try. Start speaking about it in 5 sentences first. See how it goes. If you're not convinced, try it again. Take a moment and think about it to correct your sentences. Write it down. Write down your ideas. Write down the sentences, what you want to make. Take some efforts, guys. This is a very simple exercise. It cannot be anything, cannot be as simple as this. Take some efforts. Take out 5-10 minutes. Write down the ideas. Write down your sentences. See how you can correct it. Take help from, yes, chatbots. Take help from AIs. ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Meta, anything, whatever you have. Take help from them and start working on it. Come up with 5, 10, 15, 20 sentences. Right? Increase your difficulty level and see what difference it's going to make in your life. This is a very simple exercise, guys. You can start doing it right away, right now, from today. And after a month, you will see a lot of difference. Yes, you will be able to speak on random topics, random things, and you can have random conversations with people anywhere, anytime, on any topic. This is so powerful. I'll give you examples also here. Now, for example, I would like to speak about my favorite dessert. In summers, I love ice cream. I love having ice creams. So I'm going to pick up ice cream as an object, or I'm picking ice cream and I'm going to speak on it or about it. I'm going to tell something to you about it. Now, how do I say? Okay, so I'll start with I love ice creams. I enjoy it the most during summers. I enjoy it the most during summers. It is a sweet and cool treat. It is a sweet and cool treat. I almost love every flavor. I can eat vanilla, I can eat strawberry, I can eat butterscotch, I can eat chocolate, etc., etc. Apart from these, there are lots of fresh fruit ice creams available in the market, which I love. During mango season, I love mango ice cream. I love tender coconut also. I love Chico ice cream. I love muskmelon. I love kala jamun and lots more. I don't know. I think I can eat any flavor and every flavor. I just want to try everything. I love blackcurrant also. Blueberry also. Probably it might happen that something I like little more, something I might like a little less. But ice creams are always ice creams. I can eat any ice cream. Yes. Talking about ice cream, I remember my childhood days. We used to get this stick ice cream for 1 rupee, which was of milk. I mean, it was said that it is a milk ice cream, but there was a lot of water inside that. So it was mixture of milk and water. But I used to enjoy that ice cream. I loved that ice cream. So I used to get that ice cream. And the other one I used to love was orange stick. Orange stick, yes. It was tangy, sweet and tangy ice cream, which is made of ice. So I loved that ice cream also. Apart from that, there was another thing which used to come in the plastic pipe, which was called Pepsi. I hope you know about it. So we used to have that Pepsi also, and I loved that. So as I told you, I am a big fan of ice cream, and during summers I can have any ice cream and every ice cream. I am that crazy about ice cream. So from top brands to locals to carts, any ice cream I can enjoy and relish. That is how much I love ice creams. Nowadays we have ice cream stores, or we have, ice cream parlors, and we go there and we choose one and we eat ice creams, right? Like Baskin & Robbins or Amul Ice Lounge or something it is called. And then there is Naturals and lots more. So we go there and we have our ice creams there. But during our childhood, we used to wait for the carts to come. They used to ring the bell and they used to, shout ice cream, and then we used to go out of the house during our summer vacation. We used to call the guy, come here, we need some ice creams. And then they used to come there and we used to buy the ice creams. So every single day during afternoon, we used to wait for them to hear their voice that they've come, or to hear that bell ringing, and then we used to call them and we used to have ice creams. So this is how I used to have ice creams during my childhood. And that bell one was kulfi. Kulfi was amazing. That was not literally a kulfi. It was a mixture of milk and water again. But then we used to enjoy those as well. We never used to complain that this is not tasty or this is not so good. We used to enjoy everything. So that is my childhood memory during summers or summer vacation, when we used to wait for the ice cream cart to come and we used to buy ice creams from them. But nowadays things are quite simpler. You want to buy an ice cream, you want to have an ice cream, just go to the ice cream parlor, you can have it and you can come back home. You don't have to wait for anybody that if that person comes, then only I can have ice cream. So that is pretty convenient now. Okay. And I think everybody loves ice cream, from a kid to an elderly person. Everybody enjoys ice cream. Everybody loves ice cream. Right? Do you like ice creams? If you like ice creams, start talking about it right now. Yes, guys. So this is what I spoke about ice creams, my love for ice cream, or how do I enjoy my ice cream. You have heard this. You can speak with me, repeat after me. You can take my ideas. You can speak on your own, or you can just practice randomly about it on your own. Okay. And don't forget to record it. Once you record it, you will get to know what sentences you have spoken. Okay. So that next time when you're speaking, you can correct that sentence. Okay. But don't do it once. As I told you, what you can do is, when you wake up in the morning, after having breakfast, when you're relaxed, pick one object. Like I've chosen ice cream. Okay. Talk about it. Again, after some time, maybe half an hour or an hour later, again speak about ice creams. Collect some more ideas. Frame some more nice sentences. Write a script. Speak about it. Again, after another half an hour, 1 hour or 2 hours, speak about it. At least 4 to 5 times a day, start practicing on the same topic, on the same object, on the same thing which you have chosen. Okay, 5 to 6 times talk about it in a day and see how you progress. Record it for your convenience, voice record it or video record it, and see what progress you are making, whether you are confident of speaking on it or not. 10, 15, 20 sentences you have to make, guys. Start doing it and you will see a lot of difference in a day. Since morning you've started to speak about ice cream, by evening you will see a lot of difference. Make sure your speech improves every time. Yes, you have to put in efforts to improve that. If it is going on the same lines, you might not improve. Try improving on your speech and see the difference from morning to evening, and that will help you in gaining fluency and confidence in speaking in English. Okay, so this is one item I have chosen and I have spoken about it. Okay, I'll give you another example. I'll choose another thing. Let's take water. Okay, I've chosen water as a thing to speak about it. Okay, water is very important for our daily lives. We drink water, we bath, we water plants, we wash our dishes, etc., etc. We do a lot of things with water. Okay, it is free of cost. It is available free in nature. But nowadays, there is a lot of scarcity of water during summers. In big cities, people buy tankers to provide the water to the societies. Okay, so it is getting scarce now. So what we have to do is we have to preserve water. We don't have to waste water every time. We should try to use water, whatever is required, not more than that. We need to conserve water. Okay, another part is I love drinking lots of water. You know why? Water is very much essential for our body. I think 80% of our body is water. So we have to be hydrated. That is why water is very important for us. It helps in hydrating our skin, and providing energy. So that is why 8 to 10 glasses of water is very much required every single day. We need to make sure we drink 1 to 2 liters of water every day. Okay, and I do follow this practice. I drink lots of water. And during summers, you can increase your water consumption as well. Because summers, you feel dehydrated whenever you go out. So you have to carry a water bottle along so that whenever you feel thirsty, you can have a sip of water. So that is very essential thing which you need to do in summers or during summers. You should carry a water bottle along with you. Okay. So this is a good practice which I follow every time. Anyways, I carry my water bottle every time during all the seasons. I do this. In summers, you need to drink more water, so you need to carry a water bottle along with you. That is very much essential. And this drinking water should be safe and clean. You need to make sure whatever water you are drinking is clean and safe. Okay, so that is why drink from RO or any bottled water if you want to drink, that is also fine. So it has to be purified. That is very much essential. It helps in overall health and well-being. So that is why water is very much essential. You should start practicing drinking lots of water every day. So guys, this is how I spoke about water. I've taken a very simple thing, water, and I've spoken about it. Likewise, you can pick up anything and you can speak about it. You don't have to just, tax your brain or brainstorm about what thing I have to pick and choose. You can choose anything, a pillow, your favorite couch, your television, or your mobile, or anything else. A table fan, a ceiling fan, a plant which you love the most, in your garden, or any vegetable you love the most, whatever, guys. So every single day, make it a practice that you pick up an object or a thing or anything, an item, and speak about it the whole day. Okay, and try to improve on your speech. If you're not improving, make it a point that you sit down, jot down the ideas, or start making sentences so that next time when you speak, your speech becomes better than the previous time. Okay. So the whole day you speak about it at least 5 to 6 times a day. Take note, write it down, write down the ideas, sentences, or whatever you want to, however you want it to be, and speak about it. Audio record it or video record it. And listen to it. What mistake you have made, what you need to improve on. And if you have no clue, if you're not getting any idea, if your sentences are not correct or you need help, ask help from AIs. Gemini, Copilot, Meta AI, or anywhere else, whatever you find around you, ChatGPT or DeepSeek, whatever. Okay, start taking help, but make sure that you speak correctly about it, and you should improve by evening in your confidence, in your speech, and in your fluency. Practice it for 30 days and you will see the difference. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.